But individually, are you healthy? Do you have good habits? Okay. I mean, those are the sorts of things you look at. And even those don't help you. My dad lived to 96. Okay. My mom died 12 years earlier than he did. And she was the healthy one. She was the one who walked on the beach and collected the shells and you know, he was the one who worked in, he did his woodwork shop, but there wasn't a lot of, not a lot of aerobics going on in the woodwork shop, and he's exposed to sawdust and glue and every other damn thing he was working with, you see? So you might think mom was going to live longer. It didn't work out that way. Okay. You might have thought dad being kind of overweight, hypertensive, everything else. He made it to 96. That's pretty good. Okay. He beat the odds. So that's the point. You just don't know, right? You roll the dice and you take your chance is what you do. If you're optimistic, you think you're going to live a long time, wait.